Teacher Ada. Hello, my friends. Hello. Today we will learn Igbo greetings. Yay! When you see somebody, you can say Ndewo. Can you say Ndewo? Ndewo. Good job. Ndewo means hello. Let's try again. Ndewo. Very good. If mommy comes home, what do you say? Ndewo, mommy. Yeah. If daddy wakes up, what do you say? Ndewo, daddy. Let's say it fast. Ndewo, Ndewo. Now slow. Ndewo. In Igbo, hello is Ndewo. Amazing job. Ndewo, Ndewo, Ndewo. Hello, my friends. See you next time. Howdy. Bye-bye.